Can I protect my HVAC system with a surge protector? Yes, you can protect an HVAC system with a surge protector, and it can help reduce damage from power surges and lightning spikes. A surge protector acts like a safety gate for electricity, and it blocks or sends away extra power before it reaches the important parts of your heating and cooling system. Your HVAC system has sensitive parts like the control board, capacitor, blower motor, and compressor, and those parts can be expensive to fix if a surge hits them. A surge can come from lightning, the power company switching equipment, or even big appliances turning on and off inside your home. Many people think surge protectors only matter for computers and televisions, but HVAC systems can be just as vulnerable because they are connected to large amounts of electricity. A whole house surge protector is usually the best first step because it protects more than just one unit, and it helps with other devices too. Some systems also use a smaller protector near the outdoor unit for extra defense, which is useful if your area gets storms often. One thing people do not always know is that a surge protector does not make your system stormproof, but it can lower the chance of a costly repair and give you better protection when used with good grounding. If you want to be smart about it, have a licensed electrician or heating and cooling technician check the setup and make sure the protector matches your system's voltage and load. A common mistake is thinking a cheap power strip can protect an HVAC system, because those are made for small electronics and not for the heavy electrical draw of heating and cooling equipment. Another mistake is buying the wrong size or type of protector, so make sure it is rated for the whole house or for the exact unit you want to guard. People also forget about grounding, and that matters because a surge protector needs a good path to send extra energy away, or it cannot do its job well. A simple tip is to ask for a surge protector that is listed for HVAC use and have it installed the right way. Another tip is to check your system after storms, because a protector can take the hit and still need replacement later. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.